Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the 1 million subscribers dimension. That's right, guys, and hopefully we can meet up with every single one of those subscribers, or maybe we can just accept our plaque and move on, guys, to 10 billion subscribers. Could you imagine that, guys? If we actually had 10 billion subscribers, that would be amazing, guys. But I know that we are so close. We are so close to 1 million subscribers, guys. If you could just take 5 seconds of your time to scroll on down and hit that subscribe button, guys, maybe, just maybe, we could hit 1 million subscribers on just this video, guys. That would be absolutely insane if that happened, guys. I think at that point, I would probably just like do official face reveal or something, guys, if that ended up happening. But what you're going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 13 blocks of gold. You want to place 4 of them just like that, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and jump on up, and then you want to place 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks of gold on this side, then jump on down. Now you just want to go ahead and place 3 on this side, and then 2 in the middle, and then 1 on the edge, and boom, you are finished. Now you can go ahead and jump on down. Ow, that really hurt. And now you just want to go ahead, you want to take your flint and steel and light this baby up. That's right, guys. Boom! Wow, don't that look absolutely amazing, guys? Now it's time to go ahead and head on into this dimension. Hopefully this loads up quick, guys. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed this loads up quick, guys. And I'm not an old granny by the time it loads up. And whoa, son of a chicken. Whoa, what is that bunny doing? Oh my goat. Wow, is that the play button? Son of a building block. Wow, that looks absolutely amazing. Don't that look amazing, pig? Don't that look absolutely amazing? Does that make you want a new daddy? And that's me? Do you want me to be your new daddy? Wow, this is getting kind of weird. He's just like looking me in the face. What is wrong with you, pig? He's just not going to talk to me, guys. Obviously, his mama's done taught him not to talk to strangers, but wow! This play button, guys, this play button by far has to be the best thing I've ever seen in Minecraft. Wow! What is that block doing? Is that holding this whole thing up? Let me just go ahead and knock that down, guys. I end up breaking this block, and then the whole plaque end up falling and shattering all over the place, and the button just go flying. That would be crazy, guys. That would be absolutely crazy. But wow, look how humongous this thing is, guys. You know what I might have to do? I might have to bust into this frame, guys. Take the gold out and mount it down and actually make me a gold house, guys. Or maybe just like make me a gold tooth. I'm not really for sure, guys. Could you imagine that? A YouTube play button turned into a gold tooth. That would be pretty funny if you ask me, guys. But let's go ahead and make the play button TNT. That's right, guys. That's the only way these plaques can get better is if you TNT-fy them, guys. So let's go ahead and put some TNT in here, guys. Let's just go ahead and make this whole button TNT, because like I said, that's really the only way you can make these buttons better is if you actually make them TNT-fied. Let's go ahead and try to build our way up, because we actually got to make this whole thing TNT, guys, and then we might blow it up. Yeah, I probably will blow it up, guys, because for some reason, I just love blowing stuff up, guys. Like, it just brings me so much enjoyment to blow stuff up with TNT. Could you imagine that, though? If somebody actually put TNT on their play button, that would be pretty crazy, guys. That would be pretty crazy. But it would look pretty cool. If they could have it looking like this, guys, with the TNT, that would look pretty cool, if you asked me, guys. But let's go ahead and see what's on top of this play button. They might have something, like some kind of secret or something up there, guys. Like, let's go ahead and jump up. Oh my god. Do they have anything up there? Oh my god, they have a pig up there? What? How did he get up there? Oh my god, how did you get up there? No, guys, I totally spawned him up there. I totally did spawn him up there, guys. But now it's time to jump down. Hopefully we do not die, guys. Hopefully we do not die. I would not want to die, especially jumping from this height, because then I kind of look like a sissy. Oh my god, guys. Wow, we actually survived that. But just go ahead and take a look at that play button. Take all that in, guys. Don't that look absolutely amazing? But now it's time to go ahead and blow it up. Hopefully it does not destroy the whole play button, guys. What? That don't even look right now, guys. It looks like the play button got legs now. Let's see. Let's go ahead and try to jump and blow this up, guys. Let's go ahead and jump. Oh my god, guys. No, we're going to blow ourselves up. Oh my god, right there it is. Oh, wow, guys. Wow, we totally almost died. That would have been insane. That would have absolutely been insane, guys. But wow. I cannot believe this, guys. I cannot believe that it only blew up a little bit. I mean, I didn't want it to blow up the play button because I really did like the play button, guys, and how it just looks TNT-fied. Like, that's a special custom touch right there, guys. Like, you're never, ever going to probably see a play button like that again in your life, because that's customized, guys. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.